Kingstar Personal Manicure Pedicure Suit Pedicure Set Ear Pick. This is a very nice manicure set with a good variety of tools. I especially like and use the small clippers that cut on an angle. It's not easy to find. The only two things I would change are, the mirror is not needed, my nails don't look at themselves, the clippers in the center of the set are a bit small, look sized for fingernails not toenails. Otherwise I enjoy the set and the case is also nice. Electronic Nail Care System Manicure Pedicure Toe. This nail care system worked amazing for my nails. My nails have always been in pretty rough shape. I have been trying to get my nails to a healthy, letting them grow naturally. The three parts of the system worked great. The same steps you get in the nail salon. It was so easy to use. It does require 1A battery, which was not included. It does make some sound, but it is not too overly loud. Overall this system is great and I would definitely recommend it. I received this product at discount for my review. This does not affect my review in any way. All opinions are honest and all my own. Think Max Mini Electric Nail Drill Machine Manicure Pedicure Kit. Product name, Red Box 2000 Type Polishing Machine. Product introduction, speed up to 20,000 RPM. This product can be both positive and negative rotation when operated. The fuselage is steady, the noise is small. The polishing head can be replaced. Simple operation. Input voltage 110V 220V 50 Hz 60 Hz suitable for global use. Output DC 12V 1.0A. Queen Tools Professional Finger Toenail Polishing Tools Care Electric. Item arrived on time and was easy to use. Really like the adjustable speed settings. Medicool Manicure Pedicure Station. Medicool Manicure Pedicure Caddy with rechargeable battery. Medicool 036765244028. Solavi Manicure Pedicure Set with stainless tools, crystal nail. The only manicure pedicure set you'll ever need. Achieving beautifully manicured nails is simple with the right tools. Don't buy a bulky manicure kit with a lot of tools that you don't know how to use when a comprehensive, high-quality set of grooming tools is all you need. The Solavi grooming set is the only brand sold on Amazon that includes a premium glass nail file, a stunning case, and beautiful packaging that make the set perfect for gift giving. What's included? Crystal nail file, original to the Solavi manicure set. 320 grit, dual-sided etched surface. Will not shred nails, which is a problem with metal files and emery boards. Increase filing results by dampening slightly before use. Non-porous glass file resists bacteria. Pointed tip is perfect for cleaning underneath nails. Tweezers, slant tipped for maximum precision. Comfortable, ridged grip. Cuticle trimmer, V-shaped blade safely trims jagged cuticles. Nail clippers, compact size folds securely. Works well on hands or feet. Includes a built-in tip for cleaning underneath nails. Nail scissors, pointed scissors are the perfect size for fingernails. Tip is slightly curved for ease of cutting. Not designed for toenails. Cuticle pusher, for best results, soak nails first in warm water or treat with a few drops of oil or lotion. Push cuticle with rounded end of tool. Use pointed end for cleaning underneath nail tips. Clutch case, stylish case with a soft interior to protect the tools. Tools are not intended for use by children. Do not drop or step on crystal nail file as it can break or splinter. To prevent injury, take extra care when using tweezers near eyes. Solavi is a brand of Bikesaur, LLP, and is sold exclusively by Bikesaur. Manohoy 12 PCS Manicure Pedicure Set Nail Care Personal Manicure. Feature material, steel stainless tools and leather carry case. Leather case size, approximate 18x 9.5x 2 cm 7.35x 3.87x 0.82 inch. Comes with a durable synthetic leather case making each tool accessible and well protected. Easy to use and carry, keep all your nail tools organized and in one place. Perfect for at home or when traveling around. Great gift for your family or friends. Instructions. Step 1. Wash hands and face with warm water, or place warm and wet towel over face for 2-3 minutes, making pores puff. Step 2. Sterilizing needles with medical grade alcohol pads. Step 3. Selecting suitable tool, extra sharp tip for needling acne surface, wide loop for large or inflamed breakouts, thin and narrow tips for smaller pores, extracting blemishes, etc. What you will get: 1x large size nail clipper, 1x small size nail clipper, 1x obliquely toenail clipper, 1x flat pedicure knife, 1x pliers, 1x ear pick, 1x cuticle trimmer, 1x obliquely pedicure knife, 1x cuticle knife, 1x nail file, 1x acne needle, 1x dirt cleaning suppository, 1x leather brown case. Note: sharp objects, please use with caution. Keep away from children. For hygiene purposes, clean with soapy water after each use. Date: Work Nail Art Peel Off Base Coat Liquid Cream. Product description: quantity 1 color white pink. Features: method of use: apply to the edge of fingers sparingly. Normally it will dry within 5 minutes, depends on the outside temperature. You can peel it off when it is fully dried. Attention: it will be easy to peel off if you apply it thickly. Please cover it after using. Package include 1 PC peel off liquid tape, latex tape, peel off base coat, nail art liquid, Palisade. Fanson nail files. Pink nail file set for home. Pros: this pink nail file has what I would consider a medium grit on one side and a slightly rougher grit on the other side. It has foam in the middle, feels sturdy, and does a great job on my natural or gel polished nails, but would also work on false nails or tips. The grit is lasting much longer than my last file. Instructions are printed on this file that it is washable and disinfectable. Cons: none. I would purchase this product again. I often depend on others leaving honest reviews when I need to order a new item. I find that one of the most difficult things about ordering online is that I can't hold or touch the products before buying them. So, I love reviews from others who have touched, inspected, and used the item I'm thinking about purchasing. I strive for the same in leaving reviews for others, to leave a review that will help others make an informed decision. I received this item at a discount or gratis from the manufacturer or a seller to objectively test and review it, but received no payment and have no obligation to offer anything other than my real opinion based on my experience. Amazon's verified purchase indicator shows that this review matches an actual product ordered and delivered from Amazon. If you have found this review helpful, I'd love if you'd indicate that below. Also, feel free to ask any other questions about the product that I haven't answered.